How to sign in into your Wells Fargo account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Wells Fargo account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up a web browser and simply head over to the search bar and search for Wells Fargo. After you search for it, head over to its website. You can directly go to wellsfargo.com as well. And in the homepage of Wells Fargo, you will see the sign in option. If you don't find it right here, you can head over to the top right corner where there it says sign on option. Tap on it and you will be on the sign on page. Now here, type in your username and then type in your password and then tap on sign on to sign on into your account. Now you can save your username for easier later on login. And you also have the option to reset your password or username if you ever forget one. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.